McLeod Cranes and Hives has been operating for 30 years. We started in the Bay of Plenty and have grown into one of New Zealand's leading crane and transport companies. Our reputation's built on safety and reliability, and our gear has to perform every time because in our line of work, the risks are high. We've just completed McLeod's new head office and heavy vehicle workshop here in Tauranga, where we service and maintain over 200 pieces of equipment. It's a purpose-built facility designed to support the fleet: cranes, trucks, container handlers, and everything in between. It's also a space that reflects how McLeod works: safe, efficient, and built to last.
We work closely with Eyeline Constructions to deliver the project, and our internal project team, drafting team, and also our installers. Most importantly, we work closely with McLeod's. Hello, I'm Lester Sharples, one of the directors of Levanta Australia and New Zealand. The outcome has been a great result. Most importantly in a project like this is working with someone that can deliver a full turnkey workshop fit out, and that's exactly what McLeod's Cranes wanted. So it's a full end-to-end system, also backed and supported by the Levanta service team for all after-sales and ongoing maintenance requirements.
Having one supplier meant everything integrated properly. We had one point of accountability from start to finish. It simplified the process, and we could relax knowing the systems would all work together the way they should. Levanta took care of everything. It's a fully integrated setup that makes it easy for our team to service multiple units safely and keep our gear ready to roll and in top shape.
G'day, it's Jackson here from Levanta. We're here today at the PSP Property Developments workshop in Tauranga. This is a brand new purpose-built workshop designed for McLeod's Cranes. Levanta was pleased to be involved in this project and trusted, become part of the Good Bastards family. Levanta was contracted to do the two 25-metre steel prefabricated pits. These pits are fully compliant to all of New Zealand standards, including ventilation, lighting, and full air manifold that runs the length of the pit. We've got an adjoining access tunnel that goes between the two pits. We also have included a Sherpa brake tester with a lifting bed functionality. This is a German-made product that McLeod wanted because of its speed and easy use, and of course the reliability. We also did a full oil air delivery system. So this included an air line throughout the workshop and in the pit, and to a gantry system where they have all their oils and lubrication and grease pumped to. Along with that, we've also included other smaller products such as your rolling jacks for your pits, your oil drums, oil drum trollies, and grease pumps.
The workshop that we've come from is just night and day compared to this. It was small, hard access, so the transition has just been spectacular for us. My name's Grant Burrows. I'm technical support to the maintenance department. I've been with McLeod's for 4.5 years. The relationship with Levanta has been smooth.
It's a massive improvement from the old setup, where space and layout were very limiting. This new facility has changed the game for our maintenance teams. We can now run a full after-hours COF lane. This means less downtime, safer maintenance, and improved reliability out in the field.
None of this was in our old workshop, so again, what we're able to do light years ahead of what we were doing. The time saving, the efficiency, we don't have to send someone down the road, so yeah, manpower, just so many boxes that it ticks for us.
Levanta were excellent to work with. Professional, organised, and very solutions focused. They really understood what we were trying to achieve and delivered a high quality outcome on time.
I would certainly recommend Levanta.
McLeod would have no hesitation in specifying Levanta on the next one. Every crane, every truck, every lift depends on our equipment being in top condition. And this workshop gives our team the tools to make that happen. If you're serious about safety, reliability, and having a professional setup, they're a great partner, they know their gear and they know how to deliver.